Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make regular Chipotle and Sriracha mayonnaise at home. You're going to need 3 clean and dry jars. Add 1 large egg, 1 cup of cooking oil, half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste in each jar. I usually use sunflower oil because I like the taste of it. To one of the jars, add 1 tablespoon of Chipotle salsa. This is going to be your Chipotle mayonnaise. To another jar, add Sriracha sauce to taste. Insert the blender in one of the jars and start blending at the highest speed setting. Keep the blade at the bottom of the jar for at least a few seconds. Then slowly move the blender up until you have an emulsion. Move the blender up and down until all the oil is incorporated. In just a few seconds, you have thick and luscious mayonnaise. Do you know I haven't bought mayonnaise in 14 years? Making homemade mayonnaise is so easy, fast, and affordable. Also, I want to be in control of the ingredients, because when I look at store-bought condiments, they often contain sugar, preservatives, and stabilizers, which are very unnecessary. Repeat the same steps with the other 2 jars, and don't forget to keep the blade at the bottom of the jar for at least a few seconds. Then slowly move it up and down until all the oil is incorporated. Don't forget to clean the blade before you use it to make another type of mayonnaise. You don't want to mix those flavors. Close the jars with the lid, label them, and store them in the refrigerator. Homemade mayonnaise has the same expiration date as the egg you used to make it. Read more tips about storing and food safety on my website. I'll put a link to this blog post in the description. You should know that there is a possible risk of salmonella infection when consuming raw eggs. To avoid it, you can use pasteurized eggs or make sure that your eggs are clean, fresh, and they're not cracked. I like to use mayonnaise in sandwiches, salads, and dips. In my opinion, the Chipotle mayonnaise goes well with burgers and fries. The Sriracha mayonnaise goes well with Asian dishes. Visit my website, thefoodcookie.com, to find out more recipes that use mayonnaise. How did you like this video? Did you struggle to understand me with that accent? Let me know in the comments if you like to see more voiceover videos. Thank you for watching.